Hi, here it is. Do you believe me if I say 9 people will fit inside of here? What do you think it is? You know what it is. You saw the title already. This is a Campros tent, and we're going to put it up right now. Not too hot out today.
What color do you think it is?
Oh, I know it's blue.
Oh.
They have a lot of different colors on the website, and I picked blue.
Oh.
They have green, they have bright fluorescent, they have brown, they have like army green. And it's supposed to be easy to put together, and Kathy's gonna help me, even if she has to read the directions.
Yeah, I might have to.
Look
at the nice case.
Yeah, first of all, it's in a zippered case, so you can carry it to your campground. See, Campros. Campros!
Oh yeah, that's really great.
Yep.
I can't believe a 9-person tent is fitting in that little bag.
Yeah. And it's supposed to be easy to set up, and we're gonna find out. We're gonna put it right over there. Right over there.
Any directions there?
Let's see. We don't need no directions.
I need this book.
And we got a couple tarps from the farm store. We're gonna put them down on the grass. Not that we need them, but a little extra protection. I like doing that.
It keeps the dirt off it too. So when we're ready to put it away, we can roll up a nice clean tent.
Yep. Is this the instructions?
Oh yeah.
The instructions are sewed right into the bag.
So you won't lose them.
See that?
Okay, I'm taking a look here. Boy, they look very simple.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, that's what we like.
Let's bring the camera over closer.
Okay.
Show this tent bundle. We might even eat supper in there tonight. But this is a 2-room tent. Believe that?
Yeah.
2 rooms.
Shall I read you the directions as we go?
What's the first step?
Empty the bag and confirm all parts are included and undamaged. Do this at home before leaving for the trip.
Untie these easily. Look at that.
All right, so the parts should be red sticker.
We should probably roll it out on the ground because it's going to be long.
Okay.
I think it's 16 by 8. I believe this one is.
Good idea.
They have all sizes. They have small ones. They have bigger ones. They have screened-in gazebos for your yard. We're going to get one of them over here too. Maybe we will.
Okay, so we have the carrying bag.
Yep. The poles.
We need stakes. 16 stakes.
Yeah, stakes.
We need the Rainfly.
16 stakes. What do you get? There they are. Okay.
You think there's that many?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, there are 3 separate poles.
Okay.
The main body pole, which is black.
It's going to be easy.
The main body pole, which is black, there's 2. The side pole, which is gray, there's 2. And the black pole, the smaller one, that's black, there's 1. Okay.
It's good that they're color-coded.
Yeah, I like that. They said red sticker. See the red sticker?
Yeah, red sticker. And these pop together like this.
That's the main body pole.
See?
Okay.
They pop together.
All right, let's go back to the direction.
And they're going to be long at the end because it's a 9-person tent.
Lay out the body of the tent on the ground without rocks or sticks
Oh,
and not under trees. Place the tent door facing your desired direction.
all right. We're going to go over here.
All right, let's put the tarp down first, right?
Yeah, put the tarp down.
Some of the 10 by what?
What do you think? All right, we're going to lay out the body of the tent and put the door where we want it. We want the door over there. Oh, it's going to be nice. Let's find the door. And if that's the short way, it's going to be this way.
My favorite door here.
Nice.
Woo. I'll have to show where the door is. I think it's here.
Yeah, see?
Alright, so here's the door. Here's the outlet where we can put a a cord into the tent if we need it. All right, number 3.
I'm getting hungry.
It says stake the 4 corners of the tent
Okay.
on the ground first and assemble the tent poles. Insert the body poles and side pole into the pole sleeves. There's Rick in the corner. I do like that color of blue. It's very nice.
That was my idea.
Yeah.
3. All right, that's 4.
It says insert the body poles and the side pole into the pole sleeve. The body pole is the one with the red sticker.
All right, see, red.
There's 2 of them.
Yep. They go like this. They flex and they join like that. They're probably fiberglass. When you put them in, they bend. We'll see.
All right, we're going to feed those holes in, and then we're going to connect them with the pins of the grommets.
All right, we'll take the long black pole,
And put it through the longest channel.
and the middle is the highest. The 6 feet high.
There we go.
There we go.
It slips right in there.
Yep. All right.
All right, now let's let that lay and get the other 3 poles ready.
We're supposed to do this first?
No. We're going to put the other black one and then the 2 gray ones.
I skip ahead. This one is red. 2. See the red? You ever put a tent together? They're pretty easy these days. Remember when I was a kid, they were made out of that canvas. It was real hard to put together.
Yeah, these are nice and slippery channels.
And things like this, you know. All these pop together. I think it's going to come apart quicker than it went together, huh?
Yeah.
We had a smaller one like this. Maybe you saw it last year. But we need a bigger one. Alright, I'm going to stick this in the other orange channel there. Towards the center. I guess you could do this by yourself.
Yeah, I think so.
If you calm down and read the instructions. Take a break once in a while. Alright, it's all the way through. Look at that. Just even it out a little bit. It'll even out when we bend them. See? Okay, now we want the gray colored ones.
Right.
And this goes in.
That's called the side pole.
Goes in here.
Yep.
Side pole. Oh, then there's a jam here. Little sleeve, you see. Comes out the other end.
Yep.
Whew. There's 2 clips here. I imagine they're going to be staked down too. We'll put one clip at the bottom of this so you can see it, and take that end. Going up. This Circus is in town. Look at them. They got an elephant over there. Long, 6 feet tall. Look at the nice screen, see? The whole thing is screened if you like it like that. Little pin down here it goes into.
Yep, that lifts it right up.
Yep.
Nice. We're right now on this pole. I have them both on this side.
Are you following along at home? Ain't it neat? Whoa.
Down quite a bit if we weren't leaving the direction.
Yeah, and this is our first time. All right.
Okay, got the clip.
No. You want the clip? All right. Clips are on.
All right.
Make sure you're evened out or spaced even a
Are
little.
are we still in the camera with all
Yeah.
the height there?
I think. Well, I don't know. It's getting pretty tall.
Yeah.
Oh, one of them big cloths is the divider for the second room. That's right.
Oh.
Because it's a 2-room for privacy. Slap over here.
Let me get the clip.
There we go. I don't know if you can see. There's little metal tabs that this goes into. You'll see it at home. Beautiful. Look at that. I'd say it's done.
Oh.
We gotta stake it down.
Yeah.
I see
All right.
a couple hooks inside where you can hang a light or something.
Yeah, there's a lot of features with this
And
tent.
there's a little hole for your power cord to go through so no water gets in there.
Yeah.
Great.
All right. The next section's about putting the Rainfly on top.
Okay. This is the big Rainfly. It's going to cover all the screened in areas in the roof. There's a lot of them too.
Yeah.
So if you know it's not going to rain, you can have a nice breeze all night long in there. See that?
Okay, so let's put it over the tent. Make sure the door matches your tent.
Okay. Yeah, this is big. Roll it over.
Oh, here's the front right here.
Oh, 'cause, yeah, I saw a brand name there.
The brand name is on the front, Campros.
Campros.
That makes it easy to identify.
All right, then that's going to be the middle. There we go. Oh, the corners. Yeah, the corners. Corners are in the corner, see? All right, I got it.
And the last part is put the Rainfly pole C to expand the tent. Now, do you see the little curve in this pole? That's the middle.
Oh. It's easy, see? You know that's the middle because of that little arch. There's grommets in here. You can't see them, but there's little brass rings that this goes inside of. You'll see it when you're here. When you put yours together. See? Going up.
All right, ready for the next step?
Yep. Look at this. See? All right. We pull this out. We might have to adjust them as we go around. We're going to adjust the slider to move it up because we're only coming out like this. One. I should do the corners and then do the middles.
Okay.
Alright, here we go. We got the corners in. Now we're going to do the middle tie downs. It's pretty easy. Put it through the loop of the string. Kind of perpendicular to the corner. Can you still say perpendicular? See? Tension. Up. Yeah, see? Nice and snug. Like that. Beautiful.
All right, we have the inside tent divider.
Yeah.
This is the easiest part, Rick.
Good. I didn't listen to your instructions.
It's on
I didn't listen to your instructions. Think I can figure it out in there?
there. Yeah, you've got to hook them into the tent there.
I'm going in.
Halfway through, there's going to be a divider area.
I'm going in. Whoa, nice. Oh, look how big it is in there. I'm going in.
I'm coming
Coming in?
with you.
Can I eat in here?
Yep.
No. Yeah, they're like little buttons that go in loops like this. I'll show you over here because camera's there. It's kind of rounded, of course. Roundness goes at the top. See? Loop. And all the way around. Start with the bottom one. 2-room tent. Kids can be on that side, parents can be on that side. Right? Or brothers and sisters don't get along, split them up. Or you could show a movie on this. From that side you could get your projector and use this like a screen and watch a movie in here. Isn't that great? It was pretty easy, wasn't it? Look, and I can stand up. I'm pretty tall. Alright, I can almost all the way standing up here.
He's over 6 feet tall, so that's pretty nice.
Yep.
Now leave yourself an opening so you can get out.
Yeah. Help!
I'm going to back up, Rick, okay?
Yeah. There it is. See the wall? And you just roll under it, see? Somebody wants to get under, just crawl underneath. Wow. It's nice.
That's a beautiful tent.
Yeah. Could you really tell how big it was in there? Let me take the camera in quick. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, look. I'm inside. Look at this. Hope you can see all right. It's not very bright, but that's big. Man, you could fit 4 or 5 right there. And there's the divider. Let's look over. Look at the room over there. This big. You can fit 2 or 3 over there. Well, it's a 9-person tent, so we could open these windows for air. You could take the top off for air. Remember that? I love it. All right. All zipped up and secure. It's really nice. Campros tent. Check the link down below. Wasn't hard putting it together. The second time will be easier, right? Like always. It'll be even easier for you when you watch this video first. All right, check that link. They have all different sizes and colors. Happy camping, everybody. It's time to eat. I know that. Come on.